Hello everyone, before we gonna start, I wanna ask you, please check my channel, subscribe. This is the only way I can keep doing what I'm doing best. So now, let's begin. We wanna download Microsoft Office 2016 for free. But before that, I wanna share with you what I did just last night. If you see over here, I just downloaded the compressor app that cost $50. Here is my download. This is the compressor. Let me just open it up. And I went with the presser. I clicked twice and I agree and install it. Right now it's installed for free in my apps. Let me show you. Over here, this is my compressor app that I already installed from last night for free. So too, I already installed the ScreenFlow 6 for free last night. Other apps you see over here, I paid for them in the past because I didn't know about this method that I'm going to share with you in this video. So now let's just begin and show you how you download the Microsoft Office 2016 for free. There is two methods actually. One method is that you go over here into this website called AppKit. You click on the first result on Google search. You click on it and then you will come to this page. Over here, you have the engine. You can write anything you want, any app that you're looking for, and find it very easy. But as you see over here right now, it's on the top over here, on the right corner. So you just click on it. Once you click on it, you will come to this page. So now, you will scroll down. You will not click any download logo on the page, only this type of symbol. This is saying that you're going to download what you're asking for. So you click on it. Once you click on it, you will have this option. So you click one of these four options just to get the download link. So let's just click here. Let's just click. And then we're going to come to this page. As you see over here you have part 1, part 2, and then 3, 4, and 5. I believe each of them is Word, Excel, PowerPoint, etc. So now what I'm saying is you click, for example, on the part 1. And then you have the regular download, which is for free, and the gold download, which is paid because it's faster. So now we're gonna click on the regular download, and then it's gonna give you like this, saying to you, you should wait 55 seconds, 54, and then they should give you a link to just click and download. So now, before they're gonna give you the link to click download, they wanna make sure you're not a robot. So they want you to really copy what you see over here. So let's just copy it. Hello, sweet. And then click continue. And you see over here, now you can just click download. And then it started. As you see over here, it started. I don't want to use this method. By the way, after it's going to be finished and you're going to download all the parts, part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you click on the show in Finder, you go in the process of installation and that's all, it will start working. But I don't want to use this method, so I'm going to stop here. So the next method, which I also prefer, is just copy and paste the link I will leave on the description below. So all what you have to do is just paste the link and then click enter. That's it. Once you click enter, you will have this page. You just click download anyway and it will start a download. Once download completed, I will come back and we'll continue. Okay guys, the download is just completed. Now we're gonna search for the location, show in Finder. Okay, here is it right now. As you see over here, you have the Word and you have PowerPoint, Outlook, and Excel. And you have this. This is very important. You need right now to copy it. Once you copy it, now you just go through the process of installation. You click twice on Word. And now you click continue, install. And then you type the password you have on the lock screen of your Mac. And then you click install. So as you saw, the Word application just opened up automatically, but do not continue. First, exit the Word, and now go to Finder and go to the application tab, and look for the Word application. You see it? Now you right click on it and you are clicking on the next tab, show packages contents, and you just right now click on contents, and then over here you open it up, and now over here you're going to paste what we copied before. Now you do yes, replace. Once you do that, right now, the Word application should work smoothly with no problems. So let's see. So as you see right now, we have regular Word documentation. We can open it up, create, and here we have it. Word application is ready to work with, and so on you do to the PowerPoint and the Excel and Outlook. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up. This is the only way I can keep up doing what you want me to do, sharing helpful videos with you guys.